Soleil has truly been my passion project. And I'm not selling because I've fallen out of love with it. If anything, I love it so much, I'm being honest, and it's time for someone to come in that has the passion and has the drive and take over from where I left off. My name is Nisty and I am the founder and owner of Soleil Tan Studio here in Eaton. My husband and I actually came across these fully automated spray tan booths because we noticed a few of them being put in eastern states gyms. The more I found other businesses using these spray tan booths on the East Coast and in the US, the more excited I got about the potential of bringing something really exciting and really new to Bunbury that had never been done before. For me, what I wanted to do is bring together a place where people could make appointments for themselves on their schedule. Soleil is unique because it's fully automated, operates 24/7, and is completely built around convenience. So the Soleil experience for a first-time tanner, it couldn't be easier. From making your appointment, to paying for your appointment, to accessing our secure studio, it's all by a very user-friendly app. Everything at Soleil is easy and stress-free. What type of person or business would be perfect for the new owner? I mean, really anyone with passion and drive is passionate about customer service and making people feel amazing will step into this and just basically watch it grow. The opportunities with Soleil are huge. I spent a lot of time and money on building this brand. There is obviously potential to build on our current membership database, which is already sitting at 80 members. We have hundreds of casual tanners that are tanning regularly, and I have tanners in from all over the Southwest already. If you're looking for a business that's almost fully automated with excellent systems already in place and potential to grow, then Soleil is for you. I know Soleil's future is bright and I cannot wait to watch it grow with its new owners.